Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down something that sounds complicated but is actually pretty straightforward. We're talking about affidavits. So, what exactly is an affidavit? Simply put, an affidavit is a written statement that someone swears to be true. Think of it as a formal way to declare facts or give evidence. Now you might wonder, why not just tell the truth in person? Well, affidavits are often used when a person can't be physically present in court. It's like giving your testimony without actually being there. Here's how it works. First, you write down your statement. This could be anything from witnessing an event to providing financial information. Then you sign it in front of a notary public. The notary's job is to verify your identity and ensure you understand what you're signing. Once notarized, your affidavit is legally binding. This means that lying on an affidavit can have serious consequences, like perjury charges. So, always be honest and accurate with your information. Affidavits are used in various legal situations. For instance, when you're buying a house, you might need an affidavit to affirm you're the rightful owner. Or in family law, affidavits can support claims about child custody or support. It's also important to know that affidavits can be challenged. If someone disputes your statement, they can cross-examine you in court. So again, be truthful and clear. In summary, affidavits are powerful tools in the legal world. They provide a way to present facts and evidence even when you can't be there in person. Just remember to be honest, get it notarized, and understand its legal weight. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand legal guides. See you next time.